Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make vitamin E at home, full guide. Begin by collecting high vitamin E oils like wheat germ, sunflower, and almond, plus a clean jar and gentle heat source. I will guide you through gentle extraction, concentration techniques, and simple at-home testing. I explain safety measures, storage tips, and how to adjust strength for skin or supplement use with clear, practical steps you can follow easily. I will explain a gentle oil infusion method using low heat and time to extract vitamin E without chemicals. Heat slowly to release antioxidants, then cool and strain through fine cloth or coffee filter. I cover alternate cold infusion for delicate oils, how long to steep, and simple signs your extract is potent. You will learn practical tips to keep the extract stable and usable for skin or supplement blends. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more clear home chemistry videos. Quick recommendation: pick up some leak-proof containers to store concentrated oils and avoid messy spills or contamination. They make prep and travel so much easier. I like how they keep small batches fresh and organized. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. I will help you concentrate your vitamin E extract by gently reducing volume while protecting potency. I describe safe temperature ranges, how to recognize scent and color changes, and easy oxidation tests to estimate strength. I also explain dilution options for topical use, how to calculate approximate percentages, and practical labeling and storage practices to extend shelf life and maintain effectiveness for your personalized needs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.